So today we're going to look at parallelism. And we're going to look parallelism into some paragraphs and some sentences and some paragraphs. It's very important. It's a very important grammatical rule, note, whatever. So I have written some examples on the board here for you, just to show you like simply and clearly what is meant by parallelism in grammar. So take a look at this sentence. She drives her car carefully and in a slow manner. So we have an adverb here, and we have and. It's because of and, because of the conjunction and, that the word appearing before and after or following and have to be parallel, meaning they have to follow the same part of speech. Okay, for example, what do we have here? It's an adverb. Very good. So the following word should be an adverb too. So you have in a slow manner. Well, slow manner is an adverb, but because we could write slowly. Slowly. So we can have this one, which is a breakdown of the adverb slowly. We don't need that long, word or adverb. So she drives her car carefully and slowly. Let's take a look at the second sentence here. Mary loves kids and enjoying being with them. So Mary loves kids and enjoys. Very good. So look at the tense here, look at the verb here. It's loves. It's simple present tense. So you need the same tense on the other side or after end, right? Yeah. So it's loves, and then it's gerund form. It's progressive. We don't need any like continuous or progressive or gerund or participle tense or verb here. And enjoys. Okay? Okay. So basically, this is parallelism linked to verbs. This is parallelism linked to adverbs. And the third one, to be a good teacher, you need to have patience, knowledge, and passionate. And passion, very good. Because we have noun, then we have comma, we have a second noun here, and then here we have an adjective. You don't need an adjective here, so we have to turn it into a noun. And passion. So the right answer, or the right word here, is passion. So this is with nouns, but you could also have like adjectives, like beginning with adjectives, such as you need to be patient